Hi everyone, it's Ee's Diary, and this time in this video, I just wanted to share with you a little bit of knowledge I've learned during my YouTube journey. So I just wanted to show you how to do a YouTube live stream using Streamyard. Yes, dahil sa Streamyard, pwede kang magpaakyat ng mga tao, ng mga host mo para sa live stream mo. Usually kasi sa YouTube, ikaw lang, hindi ka makakaakyat ng bisita if you want to. So usually people use this, live streamer use this Streamyard para makapag-akyat ng ibang mga hosts. So, to everyone who are watching right now, thank you so much for your time. To everyone who knows this already, thank you pa rin for your time, for giving me your time to watch this video. And to everyone who doesn't have any idea yet, hopefully this tutorial will help you on your journey on your live stream in the future. So let's start. So first, you have to use any browser on your laptop, either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, or anything na meron kayong browser sa laptop. Then, right now, I am using Google Chrome. And here, sa taskbar, ilalagay natin yung Streamyard. Ayan. And then, dito tayo sa streamyard.com. Ito. Ayan. And then, we have to log in. If hindi ka pa naka-register, you have to make an account. You have to register. If not, if meron na, you have to log in na lang dun sa na-register mo na account. So, then, you have to enter your email kung nakapag-register ka na. If not, you have to create an account. Ayan. But then, ako, nakapag-register na ako. Meron na akong account dati sa Streamyard. So, i-enter ko na lang yung email ko. And then, I will get the login code. So, every time you logged in with your Streamyard account, they will send you a 6-digit code para verification. So, let's go. Yan, 6-digit code. Let me check. Yan. Then, log in. So, ayan. Ito na yung dashboard ng Streamyard once you logged in. So, dito tayo sa Create a Broadcast. May mga past broadcast na ako. Ayan. Ito yung mga nagawa ko dati. Now, let's go to upcoming broadcast to create a broadcast. Ito. Then, new broadcast. Ito. Then, kasi ako nakakonect na ako dati, I already did a Streamyard live stream on Streamyard. If you want to add another account, a new account, or hindi YouTube yung gusto mong i-stream, pwede kung gusto mong mag-live stream sa Facebook, pwede, sa Twitter, pwede, sa Twitch, pwede. So, dito lang tayo mag-add new account. Ayan, nandyan yung mga available nila. Yan. Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch. So, ayun. So, I'll go back to my account, Eeee's Diary. So, I will put the title of my live stream. Let's say test only. Ayan. Then, I will make it public. And then, you have a choice of schedule for later or right now yung live mo. Then, mag-change tayo kung may gusto kang ilagay na thumbnail. Ayan. Pwede natin lagyan. Ayan. Let's say example. Ito. So, ito yung lalabas. Ito yung lalabas before. Ito yung lalabas sa stream mo. Before papasok yung mga participants. Or yung mga viewers mo. Apply. Ayan. If gusto mo siyang i-schedule today or later or whatsoever. Ayan. Pero ayoko siyang i-schedule. So, I will go create broadcast. Ayan. You're entering a broadcast studio. So, ayun. Your browser can't access your devices. Close any other applications that might be using your camera or mic. So, kasi nag-video recording para sa tutorial na to. So, ginagamit ko yung cam. So, I'll be right back. Ika-cancel ko lang yung camera. Dito, i-unmute ko. Yan. Mic is working. Nadidetect na yung boses ko. Ayan. Yung green, tumataas. But then, yung camera, hindi. Kasi, I'm using the camera for this capturing. Ayan. So, tatanggalin ko yung camera. I'll be right back.
A few minutes later.
Ayan. Tinanggal ko na yung camera. So, ito na yun. Okay. Start cam. Ayan! Hi everyone! Yes, so nag-work na yung camera niya. Kanina walang camera kasi ginagamit ko yung camera for capturing the entire tutorial. And para makita nyo yung mukha ko habang nag-tutorial. So, this time, ginamit ko na yung camera para sa Streamyard. So, ito. Let's enter studio. So, nag-work na yung camera at ang microphone. So, let's go. Enter studio. Ayan. So, ito na yung lalabas sa live stream nyo. Ito. Itong window na to. Itong rectangle na to. Then, if you want to show your face dyan sa screen na yan, you have to click this, add to stream. This one. Ito. Yan. Click mo to. Ayan! O, diba? Kita pa yung asawa ko. Andyan siya, oh. So, ayun. So, ito yun. Kung ayun nyo naman, ipakita yung mukha nyo, click nyo din to ulit. Remove. Yan. Okay? So, pwede mo siyang ilagay. Pwede nyo din tanggalin. Oh, yan. Okay. let's move forward. Then, dito sa studio na to, pwede kang maglagay ng banners. Ayan. Andito yung mga features niya. Banners. Ayan. Ito yung banner na nag-move siya. So, lalagay ko show. Ayan. Pwede ko rin siyang hindi lagyan. Pwede ko rin siyang i-edit. By editing, ito yung i-click mo. Itong pen na sign, na symbol. Ayan. So, let's try to change. Thank you for coming. Have fun. Enjoy and have fun. Yan. Okay? Then save. Kung gusto mo siyang mag-scroll, ayan, click mo yan. Ayan. Show. Yan. If ayaw mo siyang mag-stay, mag-move, kung gusto mo lang siya mag-stay, pagka-edit mo, i-uncheck mo lang to. Scroll across button. Save. And then, show. Ayan. Diyan lang siya, oh. Oh. Pero mas okay yung kanina, no? So, balik natin. Ayan. And then, if ever you wanna change the color ng banner nyo, andito lang tayo sa brand. Ayan. Pwede natin i-change into pink. Okay. Yung pink, pwede din. Red. Yan, pwede din. So, it's up to you. You have the choices. You are free. But because this is a free account, so limited lang yung features niya. So, ayan. Pwedeng ganito lang. Yan, may mga ano siya choices. Okay. And then, ayan, if gusto mong maglagay ng logo, yan, pwede yan dyan. Yan. And if you want to put a countdown before the video starts, pwede din. To show. Ayan. So, ito yung mga features niya. Ayan. So, i-hide yung name. Okay lang. Pwede mong i-show. Ayan din. So, that's it. So, that's the basic one. This is my way. This is the way of how you do a live stream, YouTube live stream, using Streamyard. And I hope that this video will help you, will help you in the future kung gusto nyong mag live stream using Streamyard, kung gusto nyong may umakyat na bisita kasama nyo sa live stream, you can use this. You just have to give the link for the invitation. Ito, invite. This invite, you can send this to the person or to the YouTuber or to anyone na gusto nyong umakyat sa live stream nyo. So, that's it. I hope that you will learn something from this video. And I hope I can help you. It helps you. So, thank you so much for your time. And by the way, After this, after mo na-customize kung anong gusto mo dito sa studio mo, you can go live. Ito na. So, ito na yun. You have to press this go live so it will go live on your YouTube channel. So, that's it guys. Thank you so much to everyone who are watching right now. Thank you for all your support. And to everyone who haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to get notified of my next videos. So thank you so much to all the people who are supporting me. Shout out to Team Kulkog, Team Paangat, and to all my members and super chatters. Thank you so much po for your support, for all the blessings, for your kindness, your generosity, and for sharing your blessings to me. Thank you so much. I am so grateful and I'm so blessed to have you all supporting me, supporting Eeee's Diary on her YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And I would like to shout out my family, Alaysa Vlog, Dimple TV Official, Christine Validor, Husa TV Official, Engineer Marty, Rods Lagura, Matthew Rose, Cecilia B. Arland, Crystal Wanderlust Diary, Joyce 886 Vlog, Christopher Molon, Lalabs Dulcet Joy Channel, Hazem Omar, Kumari Vlogs, Bambam Hermes, Bandolina Channel, Maricel Yana Vlog, My Alter Ego, Ray Bendo, Kid ML, my husband Nagaloid, my son, hey, it's me, Yuan, Vine Ligaspi, Maria Rama. Thank you so much po, and to everyone who shared the blessings, super chatters, thank you so much po. God bless you and your channels. Sana po hindi kayong magsawang sumuporta sa akin, sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa akin ngayon. Thank you so much. Please take care and stay safe. So, that's it, guys. See you again soon on my next vlog. Bye!